Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put video on TV with green screen. So if you want to make it look like your video is playing on a TV screen, in this CapCut PC tutorial, I'll show you how you can use a green screen effect to place any video inside a TV or monitor, perfect for edits, YouTube intros, and cinematic effects. So to start, you can just open your projects in a CapCut PC and then just add your videos here on a timeline like this. So let's say this is the video that I want to put inside the TV on monitor. Now you can just find the green screen TV video on CapCut, or you can also download it from a third-party video source. I'm going to just go to the CapCut library and go to the green screen category here and find the TV green screen video. So this one is a laptop, this is an iPad phone screen. Okay, let's say this, I think this one here. You can just click on the green screen video with TV on it and then click on a plus icon and just put the green screen video on top just like this. Now I'm going to change the ratio following the green screen video, 16:9. Okay, now adjust the durations of the video so that it match. And let's get rid of the green screen by clicking on the green screen video and go to the remove background options and enable the chroma key. And now just drag the color picker into the green screen. Now you can just adjust the intensity and shadow. Also, if you want to, you can feather the edge and clean up, but this is a pro feature. And now you can just resize or reposition the main video that you want on the TV screen. So I'm going to drag it down like this. Okay, so now you can just play the video to preview the result. And this is the result. So as you guys can see, my video is playing on the TV screen. If you like with the result, you can just export the project. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Like if this helped your green screen editing, and also subscribe and click on the thanks for more CapCut tutorials. Bye.